Operation Research MCQs Part 7. Operation Research deals with DASH model which can be applied under various problem situations. Option A, qualitative and quantitative. Option B, subjective. Option C, quantitative. Option D, qualitative. Correct answer, option C, quantitative. Which of the following is example of programming technique? Option A, transportation problem. Option B, mean, media and mode. Option C, probability theory. Option D, regression and correlation analysis. Correct answer, option A, transportation problem. Which of the following is not the application area of OR technique? Option A, product management. Option B, plagiarism management. Option C, project management. Option D, inventory management. Correct answer, option B, plagiarism management. Fourth, the success of any business enterprise depends to a significant extent on the ability of its manager and executive. Option A, observation. Option B, decision making. Option C, analysis. Option D, monitoring. Correct answer, option B, decision making. DASH technique are applied for data collection, data organization and data analysis. Option A, programming. Option B, statistical. Option C, mathematical. Option B, calculative. Correct answer, option B, statistical. Which of the following is example of statistical or technical? Option A, linear programming. Option B, investor management. Option C, mean, media and mode. Option D, transportation problem. Correct answer, option C, mean, media and mode. DASH is a technique for determining how to use limited resource of a business to achieve a specified objective such as maximum revenue, maximum profit, minimum cost, minimum time, etc. Option A, linear programming problem. Option B, assignment problem. Option C, transportation problem. Option D, network analysis. Correct answer, option A, linear programming problem. If a number of jobs are to be performed on a number of machines, the need to be optimized or maximize profit or minimize cost or time. Option A, production schedule. Option B, production plan. Option C, production strategy. Option D, production process. Correct answer is option A, production schedule. In LPP, DASH solution is the one for which the values of individual variables are such that total profit is maximum or total cost is minimum. Option A, infeasible. Option B, accurate. Option C, optimum. Option B, feasible. Correct answer is option C, optimal. If y equal to fx, then here y is the dash variable. Option A, independent. Option B, dependent. Option C, greater. Option D, smaller. The correct answer is option B, dependent. If dash, the output will increase or decrease in the same proportion of increase or decrease of resources. That is, if resources are increased by 50%, output will increase by 50%. Option A, maximization. Option B, non-linearity. Option C, linearity. Option B, optimality. Correct answer, option C, linearity. Dash factor cannot be incorporated in the formulation of linear programming. Option A, quantitative. Option B, qualitative. Option C, specific valued. Option D, countable. Correct answer, option B, qualitative. Economy of scale and learning curve effect cannot be incorporated in dash. Transportation problem. PERT. C, linear programming. D, critical path method. Correct answer, option C, linear programming. There are two methods available to find optimum solution to a LPP. One is graphical method and other is dash method. Option A, calculative. Option B, alternative. Option C, complex. Option D, simplex. Correct answer, option C, complex. In LPP graphical method, if a constant is having less than equal to symbol, then on a graph shaded region is dash from the line. Option A, away from origin. Option B, toward origin. Option C, below x-axis. Option D, left to y-axis. Correct answer, option B, toward origin. In LPP graphical method, if constant is having greater than equal to symbol, then on graph shaded region is dash from the line. Option A, below x-axis. Option B, left of y-axis. Option C, away from origin. Option D, towards origin. Correct answer, option C, away from origin. In LPP, dash solution happen when the constant have contradictory nature: infeasible, feasible, optimum, unbounded. Correct answer, option A, infeasible. In LPP, a solution which has infinity answer is called: option A, feasible. Option B, unbounded. Option C, infeasible. Option D, optimum. The correct answer is option B, unbounded. In LPP, a constant is called dash when it does not affect the solution: dependent, non-dependent, redundant, D, optional. Correct answer is option C, redundant. Dash optimum solution means a problem has more than one solution which gives the optimum answer. Option A, variety. Option B, uncountable. Option C, infinity. Option D, alternate. Correct answer, option D, alternate. In LPP simplex method, dash value of delta indicates gain or decrease in profit. Option A, positive. Option B, negative. Option C, 0. Option D, infinite. Correct answer, option B, negative. In LPP simplex method, the formula of replacement ratio is dash. Option A, B column divide by key column. C, option B, C column divide by key column. Option C, X column divide by key column. Option D, Z column divide by key column. Correct answer, option A, B column divide by key column. Resources which are not utilized in their full capacity are called dash resources. Option is scarce. Option B, fixed asset. Option C, moving. Option D, abundant. Correct answer is option D, abundant. Slack value of scarce resources is dash. Option A, positive. Option B, negative. Option C, 0. Option D, null. The correct answer is option C, 0. In LPP, dual of dual is dash. Option A, dual. Option B, primal. Option C, reverse. Option D, inverse. Correct answer is option B, primal. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.